Welcome to Wistron. We have a modern and well-organized production base, which lays a solid foundation for our high-quality products. Now we are in the raw material area. We strictly select high-quality solar panels and durable LED lamp beads. These premium raw materials ensure the excellent performance of our solar roll starts from the source. This is our assembly and welding workshop. Every assembly step and welding point is handled with great care to ensure the stability of the products. In the glue filling workshop, we strictly ensure the waterproof performance. This process is crucial for their long-term use. Let's move to our simple room. Here we display various road safety products. They are widely used on roads, highways, parking lots, and other places, providing an effective safety guarantee. Finally, this is our product packing room. After quality inspection, qualified products are packed here carefully. We adhere to the principle of customer foremost, ensuring that products are delivered to you in good condition. We look forward to cooperating with you.